To do your squat, you're going to start with your feet about hip width apart. They can be slightly wider, but about hip width apart. And all you're going to do is bend at the knees like you're reaching your booty back to sit on a chair, and then stand back up again. Booty is going to go back, chest stays lifted. You really want to work to keep your knees tracking out towards your toes, but never past. So this here is not the squat move. The squat is booty back, chest up, and then tuck under. Pressing up through your heels as you come up, you should be able to even lift your toes, and that's your squat move. To modify, you don't need to go quite as deep. To intensify, add some weights. Hold some weights in the front, a barbell, lots of options for you. Have fun with your squat.